In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup in Google Drive. We will use Google Drive for desktop on Windows since it handles the sync work for you in the background. First, install Google Drive for desktop. Open your browser, go to the Google Drive download page, and download the installer for Windows. When the file finishes downloading, run it and follow the setup prompts until installation completes. At the end of setup, sign in with your Google account using your usual email and password. After you sign in, Windows adds a new Google Drive entry in File Explorer, along with a small Google Drive icon in the taskbar near the clock. When you see that icon, Drive for Desktop is running and ready. Now let us set up a folder from your computer to back up. Click the Google Drive icon in the Windows taskbar. A small panel opens showing your account and recent files. In that panel, click the gear icon for settings, then click Preferences. A window appears, and near the top you will see a section called Folders from your computer. Next up, click Add Folder in that section. A file browser window appears so you can choose what to back up. Here you might pick common folders such as Documents, Pictures, Videos, or Desktop. You can also expand this PC and choose a folder on an external hard drive. Beginners often forget that any subfolder works too, so you can select something very specific, like only a project folder. Once you highlight the folder you want, click to confirm the selection and you are taken back to the Preferences window. From there, choose Sync with Google Drive. This tells Drive for Desktop to create a matching folder in your Google Drive online space and keep it updated. Below that option, you may see a short summary of what will happen, such as how many files are in that folder. Confirm the settings to finish. After you confirm, Google Drive starts uploading the contents of that folder, and you will see small sync icons appear on the files in File Explorer. At this point, it helps to understand the difference between backup and synchronization here. For a folder on your computer, Sync with Google Drive creates a synchronized copy in the cloud, so changes you make locally can appear in Google Drive shortly after. If you also want your entire My Drive stored on your computer, open Google Drive, click Settings, then Preferences, then Folders from Drive, and choose Mirror Files. When you mirror files, Drive keeps a full copy on your computer and in Google Drive, so the same files are available even when you are offline, as long as they already finish syncing. After that, you can also back up a folder located on an external hard drive using Drive for Desktop. In the same Add Folder flow, browse to the external drive and pick the folder there. Google notes that removable devices can be used for syncing, but the external drive must stay connected whenever Drive needs to access or update those files. Remember, Google Drive with Sync is not a traditional backup. If you delete or modify synchronized files, those changes can also sync to the cloud. For files you never want to lose, keep another offline copy on a separate drive. You have now set up Google Drive for Desktop to back up and sync folders from your Windows computer to your Google account. If this helped you get your files safely into Drive, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more clear Google Drive guides.